In today's video, I am going to teach you how to mention on Hootsuite on multiple platforms. Mentions are a great way to tag the right people or pages in your posts, and when you do it on multiple platforms from one place, it helps you stay consistent. We will walk through the exact process step by step, and you will be able to follow along as you see the options appear in Hootsuite. First, click Create a Post. This is the starting point where Hootsuite lets you draft your message before it goes out to your connected social accounts. As you click this, pay attention to the Post Composer screen that opens. You should see a space for writing your caption and selecting which networks you want to publish to. Next, select Multiple Social Accounts. This part matters because mentions work differently depending on the platform. When you choose multiple accounts, Hootsuite prepares a version of your post for each network that you selected. Look for the Account Selector area and choose the platforms you want your post to be published on. Make sure you confirm your selections so you are not missing any platforms you intended to include. Now that your accounts are selected, you will type @ in the caption. The @ symbol is the trigger Hootsuite uses to begin a mention. When you type @ the interface usually prompts you to choose the specific mention you want. Take a moment here to make sure you are placing the @ in the correct spot in your caption, because that is where the mention will appear in the final post. After that, select a mention for each supported platform. This is the key detail for cross-platform mentions. Some platforms may support different mention formats, and Hootsuite will show you the mention options relevant to each one. As you select a mention, confirm that you are choosing the correct account or profile for that particular platform. If you are posting to more than one network, you may need to repeat this selection so each platform gets the right tagged profile. As you do this, keep an eye on the caption preview area if it is shown. You want to see that the mention is formatted correctly and matches what you expect to appear in the published post. If you notice that a mention looks different than you expect on a specific platform, pause and reselect the mention for that platform before you continue. Once your mentions are set for every supported platform, you are ready to send the post. Now you can click Post Now or Schedule. If you click Post Now, Hootsuite will publish immediately based on your selected accounts and the message you prepared. If you choose Schedule, you can set a future time for the post to go live, which is useful if you are aligning your content with a campaign or specific audience activity. Before you finalize, it can help to quickly review the caption one more time. Confirm that the @ mentions are in place and that the correct profiles were selected. This final check reduces the chance of mistakes, especially when you are mentioning different accounts across different networks. That is it. You have created a post, selected multiple social accounts, typed @ in the caption, chosen the right mention for each platform, and then either posted right away or scheduled it for later. That covers everything you need to know.